Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench.
Today is the day of Beautcon. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to just experience this whole New York life for a day. I'm about to do my face. That's why I look so radiant, because I'm trying to wait for this stuff to like seek into my skin. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna be vlogging almost every second, so I'm gonna take y'all with me, because if you don't know why I'm so excited, check out my unboxing video, because that will give you like all the details, like the whole story of Beautcon. But I was gonna vlog me traveling here, but I wasn't really doing much but sleeping on and off, so it wasn't really much I could show. But the ride here was cool. It was long, but it was cool. It was nice sights to see. So yeah, today. So we are in New York City. There's a lot of shit going on. You know, Maryland ain't like this. I look like a little city girl. Oh, I almost died. I almost died, and I got that on camera. What's this? This joint is fucking huge. Oh my god, damn. But I'm ready. She ready.
curated and premature and professional and stop trying to be what I thought people wanted to see when they watched my videos. And I just like let loose. I was just on camera, and literally the year that I decided that I was going to do that, I got my first viral video that was trends were ditching in 2014, and that was when people really thought it's been this weird. Like you're just now see, like I've always been this weird man. Like you're just not seeing it. So you know, but honestly, I would just say just being true to myself has been my best marketing tool.
So yeah, like I said, I just got back in my room like no later than 5 minutes ago. That ride was hella long. I don't know how Jasmine does it, but so now to end off this video, I'm gonna recap Beautcon and I'm gonna show my samples. And I am getting sick. I am congested, so Gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make it short, but most likely it won't be, because I always say that and it's like longer than what it should be. Alright, so overall, man, I would give Beautcon like 110%, a 10 out of 10. Like, my first time being there, that joint was lit. It was a lot of influencers, like, not even from YouTube, just social media influencers, hairstylists, fashion stylists. I met so many people, bruh. I met the Annihilator. I saw De'Ara. I didn't see Ken, but I saw De'Ara. I met Jackie and Dennis. I saw It's My Ray Ray like 3 times. I saw, who else I see? I saw Tokyo Styles, Makeup by Mario, Mac Daddy. I feel like I'm missing somebody. I saw that girl Worthy when she did her little trap tutorial. I saw her. She's so down to earth. Like, I saw so many cool people that, like, I don't know, it's so weird when you see them in like real life, because it's like a human being. I was fangirling over like these regular people. It was crazy. Like, I fangirled the most over Jackie, because Jackie was at the Urban Decay line, and to wait in line for her, and I didn't know that. And by the time I saw, the line was closed, and she was only there from like 2 to 3 or 3 to 4, just an hour. So I'm standing on the side, because I'm like, she gonna have to walk out eventually, and I'm gonna get my pictures. But I mean, I was close enough to her that I honestly was closer than majority of the people that was in the line. Like, it was really close. Like, the line, like, this is Jackie. The line was like going to the door, and I'm like a couple feet away from her from the side. Like, I might as well just stand here and just keep saying hi, what's up, and she's waving at me, so I got what I got. And then at the very end, because she couldn't meet everybody, she just posed for a picture, so I thought that was dope. But like, I really fangirled over her. She's so like she's not a catfish. Like, she's so pretty in person. And a lot of influencers, they're like shorter than me. Like, I've come to the realization that I'm pretty tall, because a lot of these influencers, they came to like my shoulder. Like, Ray Ray, me and her were almost the same height, but everybody's like extremely short. So I felt like a giant sometimes. It was just so lit. I got so many samples. I took so many cute pictures and gifs and memes and shit like that. I was just in awe. I'm really considering going to the one in LA, because like, I never knew how lit Beautcon was until I actually went. And this video is getting too long. But yeah, overall, it was amazing. The only thing that I'm mad at is the stuff at Beautcon is like discounted because it's Beautcon. But I did get a lot of coupons and stuff. But Mac was there. They had like this huge stand, but their line was long, literally from the beginning to end. So it's like, I could never stand in line, because I'm not about to waste my entire time trying to get through Mac. And yeah, their stuff is 20% off, and then you don't have to worry about shipping and stuff. But the line just to get into Mac and the line at the register was too damn long. I couldn't do it. And that was the same thing for Beverly Hills. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to walk around, take pictures, get as many samples as I can. And that's what I have to show y'all. So I didn't get a hauler bag or anything like that. So if you're looking for that in this video, it's not it. But I did get a lot of cute samples. This Beautcon pamphlet, it tells you everybody that was there. And that's another reason why I was mad, because the people that wasn't there today, they was going to be there tomorrow. So it was like, oh, I saw so many people, but I missed out on some people. But it's all good. You win some, you lose some. Wine bar, this joint was actually good. And I kept going back for the samples, because obviously when they see thousands of people like in a matter of hours, they're not gonna remember my face. So I went back to these sample places like at least 3 times. So I'm just showing y'all one. But I got this. It's really nice. It's very hard, that's why I still have it, and I only keep biting on it. Got this coupon from Black Opal, and I also got this little 2-palette, well, 2-color eyeshadow duo. Got these. They was handing them out. Why not? That's why I got 2 boxes. Got some hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I need to take those vitamins because I'm getting sick. She gave us 3 of these CoverGirl lipsticks. It's just a soft nude color. What's this? Essence. You could choose, and I chose a lipstick. But they gave me this little shimmer lip gloss. Got a mascara from Revlon. I got a CoverGirl eyeshadow. Of course, the box is white, so you can't see. And I cannot smell this at all. But I got a sample of the Angel Fruity Fair perfume. They had a cute little stand. I got your Not Your Mother's shampoo sample. A lollipop. They was giving out hella candy. And I got the little pocket thing that you put on the back of your phone. Like, a lot of these influencers, like I said, are really nice. Like, it's my Rary, she was so freaking nice. Jackie is so cute. Like, I died. Worthy, she was so adorable because I noticed her and I was like, why does this girl look so familiar to me? I was like, oh, you're Worthy, aren't you? She was like, hey girl. And then we gave like each other this big hug. Like, we literally just like knew each other from way back when. And we took a picture. She was so cute. I loved her jacket. I meant to ask her where she got it, but I was too in awe. And a lot of times I just told these influencers, like, I love them because, like, I do. Like, they're just more prettier in person. Like, I'm fangirling now, but I'm sick. I don't sound good. I'm tired of hearing myself, but I can't really hear myself because I'm congested. I'm about to go to sleep. I love Beautcon. I love these samples. I'm definitely going to look into Beautcon LA because, I mean, you never know. I didn't think I would ever go to Beautcon. But I cannot wait for next year because I am going. I can officially say I am going because I went to the first one, so I'm going to have to go again. But, yeah, comment down below. Thumbs up this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video.